Good morning, students. Now we are starting unit 2, that is cones and cylinders, right? Now, important point topic is cone, right? Now, what is a cone? Cone definition. This is the mathematical definition. A cone is a surface generated by a straight line which passes through a fixed point and satisfies one or more condition, right? For instance, it may intersect a given curve or touch a given surface. This is the definition of a cone. Another definition is a cone is a three-dimensional shape. What do you mean? A cone is a three-dimensional shape which tapers smoothly from flat base, or you can say curve, right? A cone is a three-dimensional shape that tapers smoothly from a flat base, or you can say curve. That base may be circular, may not be circular. May be circular, may not be circular in shape, you can say. Now suppose this is a cone, right? This is the example of a cone, right? This point is called vertex, or you can say apex or vertex. This point is called vertex or apex, and this is called a guiding curve or a base curve. Guiding curve or base curve. The shape may be circular, may not be circular, may not be circular in shape. Now this is a cone. This point is called vertex. Any line on the cone is called a generator. Now if you draw a cone like this, now if you choose a point on this one, this is called a generator. Any line on a cone which is passing through the vertex is called a generator. Now again I am drawing another cone. Now this is called a generator which is passing through the vertex, right? This is a generator. This generates the cone. Generator, any line on the surface of a cone is called a generator. Now once again, the fixed point is called the vertex, or you can say apex of the given cone, right? What is a generator? A line, a straight line on the surface of a cone is called a generator. This is a cone. This line is called a generator. This line is also called generator. This line is also a generator. Any line on the surface of a cone which is passing through the vertex is a generator. The generator generates the cone. Now, important concept: equation of a cone with conic as a guiding curve. The main concept is we have to find the equation of a cone passing through a vertex, and some conditions are given to you, right? This is the only the concept is important. This problem is not important. Just go through this one. It's a generalized one. Now what is the concept here? First of all, suppose one vertex, find, the question is find the equation of a cone passing through a vertex, say 1 2 3, and satisfying the conditions. ఈ ప్రాబ్లం ఇలా ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద జనరేటర్. ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద జనరేటర్ ఎలా వస్తుంది సార్ అంటే, జనరేటర్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్, నో, right? Now that means we are going to find the equation of a line which is nothing but a generator which is passing through the given point and having some direction cosines L, M, N. Suppose if the point is say 1 2 3, what is the equation of the line passing through the point 1 2 3? X minus 1 by L is equal to y minus 2 by M is equal to Z minus 3 by N. That is the equation of a line in symmetrical form. Now, the concept is what? We have to find the equation of a generator and then an arbitrary point on the generator we have to find. Now, substitute that point in the given conditions. Now, the locus of that point is called the equation of the cone. There are three steps we have to remember. What is the, how to find the equation of a cone? First of all, we have to find the equation of the generator, and the next point is an arbitrary point on the generator, and then substitute that point in the given conditions. Then locus of the point is called the equation of the cone. Idanతా theoretical part. Now see, there are two problems are there. Chuddam. Find the equation of the cone with vertex 5, 4, 3 and 3x square plus 3y square is equal to 6, comma, y plus z is equal to 0 as base. Right? What is our aim here? Our aim is to find the equation of a cone. One vertex is given to you and the equation, some conditions are given to you. Right? There is no standard formula. ఇలానే కనుక్కుంటాం మనం ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కోన్కి ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్లో. Now first ఏం చేస్తాం మనం? We have to find the equation of the generator. Generator అంటే లైనే కదా, రైట్. A line, a straight line on the surface of a cone is called a generator. Generator means it is a straight line. Now we are finding the equation of the generator. That means equation of a line we are finding, which is passing through this point 5, 4, 3. Right? Now we don't know the direction cosines, or you can say direction ratios. For that, let L comma M comma N be the direction ratios of the generator. This is our assumption. Now next up, we are finding the equation of the generator passing through the point and having direction ratios L, M, N is this one. This is called a symmetrical form of a line equation. X minus 5 by L is equal to y minus 4 by M is equal to z minus 3 by N is equal to R. Now any point on the line, next step ఏం చేస్తున్నాం? An arbitrary point we are finding, a random point. An arbitrary point on the line is equal to, we have to equate each one to R, no? X minus 5 by L is equal to R, x minus 5 is equal to LR, x is equal to LR plus 5. Similarly, y is equal to MR plus 4, z is equal to NR plus 3. Right? Now after getting this point, an arbitrary point, what we have to do? We have to substitute this point in the given condition. Given conditions means two equations are given to you, right? We are substituting the point in this given equation. There are two equations are there, right? ఒక దాంట్లో substitute చేస్తే మన దాంట్లో. From second equation, we are getting R value from this equation. What is R value? Minus 7 by M plus N. Right? Now ఈ R వాల్యూని ఇక్కడ దీంట్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. అంటే సింప్లీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఎలిమినేట్ R అనమాట. R is equal to minus 7 by M plus 1. Again in this equation substitute చేసాము. Minus by 7 by M plus N. Here minus 7 by M plus N minus 6 is equal to 0. ఇక్కడ LCM తీసుకుంటే ఏమవుతుంది మనకి? LCM అని స్క్వేర్ చేసాం లేదా a plus b whole square formula use చేసాం. a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here also same thing, a square plus b square formula or a minus b whole square formula అప్లై చేసి అండ్ దెన్ సింప్లిఫై చేస్తున్నాం. ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్లో m plus n whole square చోటు వస్తుంది, m plus n ఒకటి వస్తుంది. బై టేకింగ్ LCM, జాగ్రత్త చూడండి, సింప్లిఫికేషన్ బై టేకింగ్ LCM we will get this result. Right? See, now by taking LCM after simplification మనకి ఏం వాల్యూ వస్తుందమ్మా? This is the last equation, right? After simplifying. నౌ ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి, నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ స్టెప్ ఏం చేస్తాను, లోకస్ ఆఫ్ ఎల్ఎంఎన్, దట్ పాయింట్ కనుక్కోవాలి. లోకస్ ఆఫ్ ఎల్ఎంఎన్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ మన ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ జనరేటర్లో ద అప్పర్ వాల్యూస్ అంటే ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 5/L ఉంది కదా, ఈ ఎల్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ న్యూమరేటర్ అనమాట. L is equal to x minus 5, m is equal to y minus 4, n is equal to z minus 3. ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేద్దాం. Again by simplification you will get this result. This is the required equation of the cone, right? What are the main steps to find the cone equation? First of all, we have to find the equation of the generator, first concept. Next concept is an arbitrary point on the line we have to find, and then substitute that point in equation 3, right? And then some locus of LMN substitute chestam. That's it. Now second problem. Second one, find the equation of the cone whose generators pass through the point and have their direction cosines satisfying the relation. And ఒక రిలేషన్ ఇచ్చాడు. సింప్లీ గివెన్ పాయింట్ అండ్ గివెన్ కండిషన్ మనం రాసాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఏం చేస్తాం మనం, యాక్చువల్లీ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద జనరేటర్. ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద జనరేటర్ కావాలి అంటే పాయింట్ తెలుసు, వీ డోంట్ నో ద డైరెక్షన్ రేషియోస్ ఆర్ కొసైన్స్. లెట్ L comma M comma N be the direction cosines, or you can say ratios of the generator, right? Now after that we have to find the equation of the generator passing through the point alpha, beta, gamma and having direction cosines L, M, N, E is this one, right? Now ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు మనకి, ఆల్రెడీ గివెన్ దట్ దిస్ ఈ ప్రాబ్లంలో డైరెక్షన్ కొసైన్స్ సాటిస్ఫైయింగ్ ద గివెన్ కండిషన్ అన్నాడు. హియర్ నో నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ అన్ ఆర్బిటరీ పాయింట్. ఎల్ వాల్యూ మనకి ఏమైపోతుంది ఇక్కడ, ఎల్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు దిస్ న్యూమరేటర్, ఎం వాల్యూ ఇస్ దిస్ న్యూమరేటర్, ఎన్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ కరస్పాండింగ్ న్యూమరేటర్. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ దోస్ వాల్యూస్ ఇన్ ద గివెన్ కండిషన్. ఏమిచ్చాడు, క్లియర్లీ ఇన్ ద ప్రాబ్లం, రైట్? And have their direction cosines satisfying the relation. ఈ కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది అన్నాడు. దట్స్ వై వీఆర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూటింగ్ L is equal to x minus alpha, M is equal to y minus beta, N is equal to z minus gamma in the given condition, or you can say relation. Now this is the ఆఫ్టర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ మనకి ఏమొచ్చింది, ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుంది. దేర్ఫోర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద కోన్. నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ వన్ చూద్దాం. ఫైండ్ ద ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కోన్ హూజ్ వర్టెక్స్ ఈజ్ ఎట్ ద పాయింట్ 1, 0 and whose guiding curve is y is equal to 0, x square plus z square is equal to 4. Again here same concept, we have to find the equation of the cone. మనకి ఏం స్టెప్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ we have to find the equation of the generator passing through the given vertex. Next point ఏంటి మెయిన్, any point on the generator we have to find and then substitute that point in the given condition, right? Next locus we have to write. That's it. Now ఇక్కడ given point rasam, given equation is also there, y is equal to 0, x square plus z square is equal to 4, right? Now let L comma M comma N be the direction cosines, or you can say ratios of the generator అనుకున్నాలి, ఎందుకంటే direction ratios are not given to you. Now here the equation of the generator passing through this point and having direction ratios, or you can say cosines, is this one. This is called symmetrical form, no, is equal to r అనుకున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ పాయింట్ ఏం చేస్తాం, an arbitrary point, or you can say random point on the generator is equal to equate చేస్తే lr plus 1 comma mr plus 1 comma nr plus 0, that means nr only. Now after getting the point ఏం చేస్తాం మనం, this point lies on the given curve అంటాం. ఇచ్చిన దాంట్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తున్నాం. దేర్ ఆర్ 2 ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 2 ఈక్వేషన్స్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసాం. ఇన్ ద ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఎల్ఆర్ ప్లస్ 1, ఇన్ ద ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ వై ఎంఆర్ ప్లస్ 1, ఇన్ ద ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ జెడ్ ఎన్ఆర్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినాం. రైట్, ఎంఆర్ ప్లస్ 1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ ఆర్ వాల్యూ అనుకుంటున్నాము. Right, r is equal to minus 1 by m. Substitute this r value here, that's it. Right, now and then simplifying మనకి ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుంది. ఆఫ్టర్ గెటింగ్ దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్ మనం ఏం చేయాలి, లోకస్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద లోకస్ హియర్? లోకస్ అంటే మన ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద లైన్ అనుకున్నాం కదా, ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద లైన్. ఈ ఎల్ వాల్యూ is nothing but corresponding numerator, m value is this numerator, n value is this numerator. Simply ఆ simplified equation లో, this is the simplified equation, no? Therefore locus of lmn is l is equal to x minus 1, m is equal to y minus 1, n is equal to z minus 0. Substitute in this equation now, and after simplifying there is an second degree equation వస్తుంది x y z లో. That equation is the equation of our required cone. Right, once again, how to find the equation of the cone? Equation of the cone means, first of all we have to find the equation of the generator, and the equation of a line we have to find out. Next, an arbitrary point we have to find. Substitute that arbitrary point in the given conditions and then simplify. That simplification, that locus of that equation is called equation of the required cone.